Hello, good day Kadioza. Our tutorial for today is all about electronic funds transfer as a payment method in Adsense. This video is applicable for those in the United States. In this video I will show how to add a payment method in Adsense. I will also show here how to enter bank account details and how to verify it.
Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn with dyozapearl vlogs, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything.
This is how a payment method can be added to a bank account. Sign in to Google Adsense. Log in your email or phone and enter the password. On the left side, go to Payments. Here in How You Get Paid, click on Manage Payment Method. Then click Add Payment Method. In Add Payment Method, here we enter our bank account details. Enter your name as stated on your bank account statement. Choose what account type your bank account is, so our example here is checking account. Enter the routing number found on your bank account statement. Enter your account number. Verify the information you entered carefully so as not to make mistakes. Check Set as primary payment method. And then click Save. There will be a pop-up to verify your bank account. So here we will choose this Verify by Test Deposit. Google will test deposit in your bank account and ask you to verify it with the exact amount deposited by Google. Click Verify by Test Deposit. And then click Verify. And then you will be reminded again that Google will deposit in your bank account for less than $1 within 3 to 5 business days, and then you need to verify and put the exact amount deposited in your bank account in the payment method. Here in the payment method, there is verification pending. To verify, go to Payments. And then here you can see Verify Now. Click Verify Now and then Verify Your Bank Account will pop up. Select Verify by Test Deposit and click Verify. Then here in Verify a Deposit from Google, select the amount, how much was tested deposit in your bank account, then click Verify. When verification is successful in test deposit in your bank account, your bank account has been verified and your bank account can be used for your payment method with Google Adsense. And then here in the payment methods you will see that the verified pending is gone. Your name and your account number are already there. Here ends my tutorial, which is to add a payment method in Adsense using a bank account and verify through of Google's test deposit. Until the next tutorial again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on my uploads.
Subscribe now.